So to freeze water on command, all you need is a glass of water, and you also need a bowl of crushed ice. So put your glass of water inside the bowl, okay? And just make sure that your level of ice is higher than the level of water inside, okay? And then all you need to do is add salt all the way around on the ice. Don't get any water in here, the experiment won't work. So go ahead and put water all the way around. This will enable the water inside the glass to get extra cold. Okay, once your experiment is set up, go ahead and wait about 15 minutes and then we'll come back and see what happens. So after 15 minutes have gone by, you can go ahead and take your water out very gently. You don't want to disturb it. Take it out of the ice, and then, now to start this reaction, simply put a piece of ice into the water. See, what happened was the water was below its normal freezing temperature, which is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And it was just a couple of degrees. It was probably about 30 degrees Fahrenheit. And by adding a small trigger, the piece of ice that I threw in there, that'll actually start the crystallization process, and you'll be able to see it right before your eyes. Now, if you look carefully, you'll be able to see the ice crystals right inside my cup. Go ahead and try it now with your cup. Now, I'm pouring out some of the water so you actually can see the ice crystals inside the glass. How cool is that? Go ahead and give that a try.